Alright, good morning internet, welcome back to the channel. I'm David from Broken Enduro. You may recognize this road, you may not. Last time we were here, there was a peacock that flew out in front of me. We're out in the Temecula area on Brian's Loop. We got, whether you believe it or not, out there in front of me, and all that dust is, I think, 18 guys in front of me and one behind me. Robert and I are starting off the day sweeping, which is the smarter thing to do because we'll save our energy because this is a long freaking ride today. Got a bunch of new guys out here with us that have hit us up on Instagram to come out and ride with us. Appreciate you guys coming out. So let's have an awesome day. Bridge. Single track is sweet. Looks like there's still a little moisture in the dirt. Dust is not as bad as it could be. Little Breaking Bad action. Oh my god. Oh, that was freaking awesome. Oh, Richard freaking motored through that. It's in gear.
So is this.
Okay.
There's just a go button.
Alright.
Go button.
Woohoo! The front brake on mine is real soft, so just be careful. Like,
oh yeah, it is.
It takes
My brakes are really grabby.
real grabby. It feels real grabby.
Yeah, they're real grabby.
I'm gonna tuck your bike. Oh man. So Robert and I did a little wife swap here. He's on my 350 and I'm on his 2021 Beta 300RR. Man, this thing gets up and goes quick. Like you can lug it there. So the delivery on it's not like rip your arms off scary. I like the bar setup on it. It's like flat. It almost feels like it's down a little bit, so you're like kind of over the front a little more when you're standing up. Oh man. Yes! That was awesome!
Oh,
I appreciate that.
yeah, sorry.
So that's my bike on the ground. That's what happens when you switch wives. There was mud all over the seat, you bastard.
Well, I didn't expect Richard to roost me.
Yeah, that got me too. He did not like gently go through that. Dude, it's
Hit it up right as he was going through. I'm sorry, buddy.
no, it's fine. That's what it's made for. It's nice to see my bike crash without me on it. Here I am worried about dumping Robert's bike, and he goes and finds the biggest mud hole he can and dump mine over. It's pretty awesome. This thing's pretty awesome. I definitely can't be as lazy with it as my 350. A little bit of that. All right, let's go right now, power. You gotta decide if you're gonna use it or shift.
Oh no! What are you doing?
So we wife swapped, and he immediately buried my bike in a mud hole.
Are you serious?
It was so awesome. Yeah.
Like, there goes my bike. Alright, honest opinion. What do you think?
I like it.
And I'm having second thoughts about you using my bike.
Look at that. Look what you've done.
Yeah, I have no excuse. Nope.
Yeah, on the pegs, full lock turn. There's a new one for you, Jeremy. That was not an on the pegs dabs. No dabs. On the pegs, full lock turns on a super camber section. Woo! Practice those low speed skills. Using the rest for balance. My clutch finger is going to get exhausted. one. Oh, dabbed at the end. Mountain bike mode activated.
Devin, jump the log.
Yeah!
I thought you were going over. Commitment issues.
Yeah, my boot got stuck. Nailed it.
I love it.
We had to stop for tacos.
Tacos, huh?
Yeah.
You saw the taco truck?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, that was way easier than when I did it 2 years ago.
Really?
The first time I was on it, I was like a total noob. And that was like the worst thing I'd ever come across in my life.
Well, you're a better rider.
Well, that's really annoying.
No, we're just waiting on a little log.
Lost all the footage. No evidence of John crashing.
What I like.
Oh man, that's a freaking rut. Mr. Each Adventure himself. Just stay in the rut. Yeah. There you go. Keep on it. Keep on it. having fun? Pushing yourself a little bit? Yeah, so am I. Glad you came out, man. Absolutely. Tires following rut. You said this one doesn't need to be connected? That's a small one? Okay. Alright.
So all the fuel is coming out of here. Out of the top.
Okay, so that, yeah, it's probably just float stuck. You're fine. Quit whining. Start complaining when you burst into flames. So out in front of me is Josh from the Adventure channel. If you're not familiar with his channel, go out and check it out. Really cool dude. He's done a lot of his stuff on a big old DRZ 400. Actually, it's Colin's old bike from ADV Squared. So he just got the Beta 390. So I decided to invite him out here to abuse his new shiny toy. Thanks, Josh, for coming out. I appreciate it, man. Hopefully we don't scare you off and you continue to ride with us. That's a cool rock. Woo! Pay attention to the road. 4-foot vertical wall. The front tire just floats off into space. Cause I'm like, squirrel! So we thought we just killed a beta, wouldn't start. They started towing it, got to start, so we're back at it again. A little 20-minute delay.
How's it going?
Good! Still all smiles! Jesus. All over on that one. Yeah, buddy. Don't screw up, Dan. Yeah. I tried to squeeze by. Dang it! There's a hole here I couldn't step in. Couldn't reach the ground.
Up, he'll show us how to do it, no gas.
Hey,
Like that?
something like that, yeah.
All right. I don't want to owe anybody a beer, so I'm not putting a toe strap on my bike. There it is. There it is. Woo! Nice. Perfect.
You're not that high up a line, huh?
That's exactly what I did. I know that's the one.
Oh, thank you.
Just like that. Is your bike better? Kinda, sorta? Just killing bikes back there, man.
That was some tough stuff, man. Small bike.
Oh, I see, Robert. So you don't put Brent's bike in the mud. Just mine.
They just took off. You know the way?
They went right.
They went what?
Right.
Okay, then right it is. cannot see anything coming up those hills into the sun. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna wrap this one. Starting to make our way back, and it's mostly fire road and stuff at this point, so come across anything, I'll cut it back in. If not, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit us up if you want to come out and ride. It's a real thing. Anyway, talk to you guys later! I'm on the wrong side of this rut. Dumb. Oh.
Yeah. Really brutal.
It's gonna get somebody. Maybe not.
I think someone went down right now.
Really?
They're all clustered up right there, yeah.
Well, I got caught in
Did someone go in that hole?
Someone parked it in the hole, yes sir.
That's a big freaking hole, dude.
I went in there, I never saw it.
Dave, was that you?
Yeah.